everybody did their parts very well. Well, emulate, that is the word of the night. And I know that two people use it, Toastmaster Jamie and Toastmaster Elise. As to errors, well, modicum. I guess it's only slip of the tongue because most of the errors are of one nature. S, losing the S, because probably most of the time they are so focused. It's like PM said that he can process what he wants. See, instead of saying she, he said he. Probably it's just the tongue style. Also, Toastmaster Jamie, one of our member, supposed to be one of our members. And of course, Rai, a fellow Toastmaster. Just the S, so it's a modicum of error. So I've been due to speaking a lot. So, but then those are just the little things. They are not really significant to be worried, to be anxious about, but they're just there to take note about. Thank you. I turn to